What's up guys? Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and overview of the Samsung Gear IconX 2018 version. I just picked these up at Costco. They were on sale for $120. These retail for $180. For $120, that's a steal. These are completely wireless earbuds by Samsung, kind of like the Apple AirPods. 4 gigabytes of music storage on the earbuds themselves, up to 5 hours streaming music through Bluetooth on your phone, and then 7 hours if you just use the music that is already on the earbuds downloaded like an MP3. It's also got fitness tracking and running coaching, voice commands, ergonomic structure and fit. So it includes the earbuds, a charging case, and some other stuff that I'll show you. So as soon as you open this up, you start with the following order, some instructions on how to start up your earbuds. So these earbuds actually have a touch sensor that you can control your play and pause, skip songs, and volume with. Here's your presentation, the 2 earbuds and the charging case. First of all, I'm going to just take this out and show you guys what else is in the box. But as you can see here, this is a nice foam pad that holds these. Right on the inside, you get a quick start guide. Inside here are all your different ear tips and these different sized rings that go around so that they fit in your ear better and not fall out. I'll show you once we look at the earbuds. It's a little box, and inside, this is very special, guys. Right here is a little cleaning kit on the inside here. Basically, what you get here is this brush with a little point there. And then there's some instructions here, but check this out, guys. Little replacement screens that go over this part of the ear tip. There are replacement screens for that because a lot of times, if you guys have had earbuds before, a lot of times these will either fall off or they will get clogged up by earwax and dirt and stuff. So that's what this whole kit here is for, which is very, very handy. Props to Samsung for including this because this is going to make your earbuds last a lot longer, and you won't have to worry too much about that because you have all these replacements. And then there's some instructions on how to do that. We have another little box here is where you're gonna find both of these for transferring music onto your earbuds, because like I said earlier, you can download music, MP3 music, straight onto the earbuds and not have to use your phone to listen to music. This one is a micro USB to USB adapter, and this one is a USB Type-C to USB adapter. You also get your USB Type-C charging cable. Now looking at the earbud itself, there's the charging connectors. That's your right indicator. R2 is for this piece, which I will show you in a second. And then that black little oval thing is the sensor to sense if it's in your ear. Right, here's your touch sensors. It's a 1 tap to pause or play music, swiping up or down for volume controls, the microphone right there on top and on the bottom. Water resistant, they're made of plastic and rubber, and they're light, but when they're in your ears, they're not gonna like weigh you down at all. One thing to note is that both of these have the touch sensors, so you can control your music and everything from just a single one too. So if you just want to have like one of them in, you can just do that and then leave the other one in your case to charge. And then the charging case here is really sleek looking, a little bit bulgy when you put it in your pocket because of the thickness. So this is a soft matte finish plastic case, and on the inside here is where your earbuds will go to charge. The case automatically starts charging them, and these lights will turn green when they're fully charged. Then you have your USB Type-C, so this is how you charge your earbuds and your case. Here's your indicator light for the battery of the case itself. It'll be red when you're charging it, and when it turns green, it's done charging. Then you have your Bluetooth button, Bluetooth pairing button, so you press and hold that. This will start flashing like that. We have a larger sized one, a small one, and the one that comes on it already is the medium one. So these will just help so that you can get a good fit in your ear and they will not fall out. To control these earbuds via smartphone, you'll have to get the app called Galaxy Wearable, which I already have here. And as you can see, Samsung Gear IconX. What this app does is it shows you the battery level of each side, which you can see. It doesn't tell you the percentage for some reason, but it does tell you those green battery bars. It shows that. And then you can control the sound, the equalizer. This is something that's really good about these earbuds, is they do sound really great, and you can adjust how they sound on this equalizer. It's not very advanced, so when it's off like this, it's just a neutral sound, and then when you turn it on, you could do bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, or treble boost. I like it on bass boost because these don't have a lot of bass originally. Another feature these earbuds have is Ambient Sound, which in my mind is a really awesome feature. So what it says here is stay aware of your surroundings by not canceling out any background noise. Put in both earbuds to use this function. How to use this, I'm going to go ahead and put these in so I can use this function. You can choose how much noise it lets in from the outside by doing that. And then you can also have it focus on sound from voices. So if you want to hear people talking to you but still listen to music, you can do that. How this works is these earbuds have microphones in them. So what it does is it picks up the noise from outside and then puts it through the speaker so that you can hear it. So that's a really cool feature for safety, and if you just want to be able to hear your surroundings. Another thing you can do here is track your health. So what it can do is track time, distance, calories burned, and speed, which is awesome, and that goes through Samsung Health if you have a Samsung device like I do. You can also use this app to transfer music via Bluetooth onto the earbuds themselves. So you have music, notifications, you can get notifications through the earbuds. Then exercise, find my gear. If you lose any of the earbuds, it will play a noise through them, and then you will be able to find them. So let's see how this works. I've never tried this before. So if you guys can't hear those right now, what they're doing is they're making a chirping noise, and it is actually pretty loud. Like, you can hear it. You won't be able to hear it from far away, but it would help if you know the area that you like lost them. It shows you the controls here. So this is a nice app to have just to be able to control the sound with the equalizer and that ambient sound mode. I will be doing a review on these earbuds after using them for a while, so stay tuned and make sure to go to my channel to subscribe and check that out. If you want to subscribe to my channel, there'll be a link here in the corner, so make sure to click on that and check out my other videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.